Welcome to part 3 of our video tutorial, and this is the last of the series. I'm glad you made it here, meaning you are interested in this business venture and I am excited for you. First things first, things to consider before joining LiveGood. Number 1 is make sure you are ready to take this journey. Hindi yung napilitan ka lang kasi at the end of the day, solo venture mo ito and kahit sabihing may mga kasama ka sa team, walang gagawa nito para sa'yo kundi ang sarili mo. Next, this is not a quick money scheme. You have to pour some effort into the business to make it work. Hindi pwedeng iasa kay upline. In fact, si upline ay competition mo. Although meron kang benefits kung mabilis mag-enroll si upline, mas maganda kung ikaw yung may direct kasi bukod sa may kita ka weekly, meron kang additional matching bonus monthly aside doon sa iyong matrix commission. Disclaimer lang, earnings vary depending on your efforts and rank. Next is prepare your membership fee. Magkano ba yung ating membership fee? As I have said before, $40 affiliate, that is one time or for life, and $9.95 for your first monthly subscription. So, ang total ng iyong initial investment is $49.95. In Philippine pesos, that is approximately 2,950. Para sure, mag-prepare ka ng 3,000 pesos. And then you have to be prepared to pay for your monthly subscription of 9.95. Approximately again in Philippine pesos, that is 588, or better yet, prepare 600 pesos. Kasi alam naman natin na nagpa-fluctuate yung value ng peso with regards to US dollars. Next, you have to know that your initial investment of $49.95 can easily be recovered by enrolling 2 people. An average of 300 to 400 bronze members are promoted daily. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya ganun kahirap. Pag may gusto, laging may paraan. And numbers don't lie kasi it is being announced weekly during our Zoom meetings. Number 5, what are the age requirements? Age requirements is 18 years old and up. Next is you can also register using a company name. For example, you have a cooperative and you want to create funds. You can encourage your members to join. Kikita yung cooperative nyo and at the same time, kikita rin ang members in the long run. Let's go to the next slide. And now, kung prepared ka na mag-register, you have to access the landing page ng LiveGood. And kailangan mong gawin is, itanong mo doon sa tao na nag-invite sa'yo kung saang link pwede ka mag-register. Ang appearance ng link is ganito, https livegoodtour.com/username nung tao na nag-invite sa'yo. In this case, pangalan ko ang naandito. Make sure na yung domain name, livegoodtour.com, is there. Kasi kung wala siya, ibang domain name ang makikita nyo, peking site siya. Mag-iingat kayo kasi baka makuha yung inyong information and mahack yung inyong mga account. Doon sa landing page, ganito ang makikita nyo. Makikita nyo dito yung video na present ni Ben Glinsky about LiveGood. Pwede nyo siyang panoorin, 5 to 6 minutes ang haba nito, sandali lang naman. Yung iba, hindi siya naintindihan kasi siguro masyadong mabilis yung pacing. And ngayon, kung hindi nyo naman kailangan ng panoorin dahil naintindihan nyo na, you may proceed with your pre-registration. Pag in-input nyo yung inyong pangalan, yung last name, and yung email address, and clinic nyo yung reserve my position, that means you are already pre-registered. Yung pre-registration is free, wala siyang bayad. Ang benefits pag nag-pre-register ka is you have 7 days para ma-secure mo yung position na inallocate sa'yo. And at the same time, meron ka ng access doon sa back-end ng website. Let's go to the next slide. Pag nag-pre-register ka na, ganito ang magiging appearance ng iyong back-end office. Since registered member na ako, medyo iba yung appearance nito. Yung sa pre-registered member kasi is ano siya, limited yung access. Makikita nyo doon yung join now button. Hindi lang ako updated kung ano yun na yung nakalagay, kung join now or be a member. Hindi ko na yun makikita kasi member na ako eh. Kung ready na kayo to register, huwag nyo nang antayin yung 7 days kasi syempre kailangan yung i-secure yung position nyo para nandun kayo sa mataas na level. Click Join Now. Kailangan yung mag-create ng username and password. You get a piece of paper or isulat nyo sa notebook para hindi nyo makalimutan yung inyong username and password. Username, I suggest is use yung totoo nyong pangalan para madaling ma-identify ng mga tao na magre-register under doon sa inyong landing page. Next is you have to fill out yung personal information. Next. Yung personal information, ganito ang appearance niya sa PC. Sa cellphone, ibang appearance niya, same pero pahaba. Hindi nyo makikita ito kasi nakatago siya. Merong 3 lines lang dito na doon nyo ma-access yung menu. Yung inyong LiveGood ID is hindi nyo na kailangang galawin yan kasi ang nagbibigay niyan is yung LiveGood. Ilalagay nyo yung inyong first name, last name, yung email address, make sure na legitimate kasi as I have said earlier nga, hindi nyo marireceive yung updates pag hindi legitimate email ang inilagay nyo. And then, yung phone number and yung username at saka yung password, automatic na mailalagay ito dito kasi nag-create na kayo kanina. Ang next dyan na kailangan yung fill upan is yung payment info. Paano nyo babayaran yung iyong membership kay LiveGood? Ang accepted payment methods are Visa or MasterCard and Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. For cards, pwedeng credit card, pwedeng debit card, yung mga ATMs nyo for savings, pwede yung virtual cards like card ng Maya, GoTime, and many others. Name on card, pangalan nyo, credit card type, Master or Visa, credit card number, ilalagay nyo dito, yung expiration date, yung address, city, state, province, zip, postal code, and yung country. So, don't remember yung country. Pag merong drop-down menu, always choose kung saan country kayo nakabase. Okay, and kung hingi siya ng security code, kailangan nyo ring ibigay yung inyong security code. Next is yung saan makikita yung mga card information. So, malalaman mo kung Visa or MasterCard ang gamit mo pag nakita mo itong mga logo na to. For Visa and then for MasterCard. Okay, dito yung card number. Diyan mo makikita yung card holder, yung name mo, and then yung security code. Nasa likod ng card, 3 digits. Let's go to the next slide. Ito naman is yung shipping address. For shipping, same, don't forget to choose your country first in the drop-down menu. Name, yung kung saan gusto nyong magpa-deliver ng products. Ito, nakalagay ito dito kasi ito yung ginagamit pag mag-order ka ng products dito, i-deliver. So, make sure na ang address nito is kung saan gusto mo matanggap yung products na o-orderin mo. In case lang naman na o-order kasi hindi naman siya required. Next is you have to choose na kung anong option ang pipiliin mo. Yung monthly subscription ba o yung yearly subscription? I am suggesting na sana yung inyong ATM cards na gagamitin is may laman na at least 3,000 pesos para hindi magka-problema doon sa pag-charge. Next option is yung yearly, that is approximately 8,260. Meron ka ng discount dito na 2 months. Doon sa yearly, makakatipid ka ng 20%. Ang pinili ko when I registered is yung yearly kasi hindi ko na siya iisipin monthly and at the same time, mas nakatipid ako. And then you have to click yung continue. Pag napili nyo na kung anong option ang gusto nyo, hindi ako sure ha kung continue or next na ang nakalagay. So, click nyo lang yon and then follow the on-screen instructions until you are done. Okay? So, once you are registered, you will now be able to access the full features of the dashboard. You can start familiarizing yourself with it so you can launch your business right away. You will also receive a welcome email from LiveGood. If you registered under my team, I will also be sending an email on what are the important things that you have to do next to start your journey. Kasama na doon yung access sa video where you have to learn to set up your credit wallet, other important details, and access to PDF and media files. But if not under my team, there are a lot of video tutorials on YouTube. You just have to search for it. You may also follow me in my channel kasi may mga tutorials na ako doon. If you have any questions, pwede nyong i-click yung chat button sa baba. Pwede rin kayong mag-comment dito sa video na to. Access nyo lang itong video sa YouTube and you can also leave your comments there. As soon as I am able, babalikan ko kayo and sasagutin ko yung inyong mga katanungan. If you have still some hesitations, doubts, whatsoever, tanggalin nyo na yon kasi nothing will happen if you don't start. The most important thing that you have to do in here is just to start. That ends our 3-part video tutorial. See you on the onboarding video after you have registered. Thank you very much for being here and see you all at the top. Bye!